Hello, Taurus. Sunday, June 14th. 2026 is the kind of day your soul was designed for. Venus, your ruling planet, is in complete harmony with Sunday's slow, rich, deeply nourishing energy today. And the result is a day that asks nothing of you except to be fully, luxuriously present in your own beautiful life. There is nowhere to be, nothing to prove, and no version of yourself you need to perform today. Just you, your comfort, your senses, and the simple profound pleasure of Sunday well lived. In your career, today is a genuine and complete rest from professional thinking. Your mind has processed enormous amounts this week, and it deserves total Sunday recovery. If a work idea arrives, acknowledge it, set it aside, and return to the present moment. Taurus who rest completely on Sundays arrive Monday with a creativity and groundedness that no amount of weekend working could ever produce. Financially, today a quiet and reassuring sense of financial stability settles around you. Not because all problems are solved, but because Sunday gives perspective. The week's financial stress looks smaller from here. Use this calmer vantage point to make one small, practical financial decision today. Cancel a subscription you no longer use. Move a small amount into savings. Set one financial intention for the week ahead. Small Sunday actions create Monday momentum. In love, Taurus, today is your most naturally romantic day of the week. Venus on Sunday creates a combination of beauty, pleasure, sensuality, and deep emotional warmth that is completely irresistible for your sign. If you are in a relationship, make today entirely about the two of you. No screens, no obligations, no outside world. Just a profound intimacy of two people who chose each other fully present together. If you are single, Sunday energy for Taurus is deeply magnetic. Someone in your immediate world is thinking about you more than you realize today. Health for Taurus today centers on deep sensory nourishment. Cook something beautiful from scratch today if possible. The act of preparing a good meal is genuinely therapeutic for Taurus at a level that goes beyond nutrition. It is grounding, creative, and deeply satisfying. Also spend time outside today, even briefly. Taurus carries tension in the neck and throat, and fresh air, gentle movement, and natural beauty release it more effectively than any other remedy. Spiritual message for Taurus on June 14th. Everything you've been quietly and patiently building is growing beneath the surface right now in ways you cannot yet see. The roots go deeper than you know. The foundation is stronger than it feels. Today, trust the slow, beautiful process you are a part of. Not everything that is real is visible. Not everything that is growing makes noise. Your season of bloom is coming, and it will be extraordinary. Subscribe to Astro Healing for daily readings. Have a deeply nourishing and beautiful Sunday, Taurus. You deserve every moment of it.